shopping at the outlet malls and thank you. Shopping at the outlet malls here in, what is it? Smithfield.
What are you doing?
What are you doing? Not that hungry. I don't know. I haven't been hungry, but I got some okra because that's all. Hey, big boy.
You brought it back.
We're going to this thing where you can feed birds and they will sit on your arm and eat off of this popsicle stick you give them. I'm so excited. Going to an escape the room thing, and that is our day.
I don't care if you got it, but we need your help.
I'll help a little bit, but I'll like film me helping. I could title this video, I'm taking bongates and Cracker Barrel. No clickbait.
That squirrel blazed as fuck.
Ah! Ah! You're fine, you're fine. Put it under the umbrella, dude. What are you doing? Put it under the umbrella, the unicorn umbrella.
Okay.
Bitch!
So, oh, that's not gonna work. Okay, sorry, it's raining right now.
Sorry y'all, don't mind me, I'm going to be showing everyone what I got from here. I'm so excited for that dress, I forgot I got that. I got this cute
dress.
I got a little yellow dress, yeah.
Let me see.
I got a yellow dress
really
too,
cute.
look.
I saw those hanging up and I thought those dresses were really cute.
This is what it looks like. It has a little tie right here. It's like right here. Where it would show your, what is that called? Thorax.
Navel.
Navel? That's in the army. Oh, what is the thorax?
On a bug, right?
Sorry, I get myself confused with the bug sometimes. This dress, as you can see, sorry about the noise, it's raining. Buttons down the bottom. It has this like tie up here where it's going to be showing like, I don't know if you can see this because I don't understand, but here, you don't care, okay. And then, yeah, that one. Then I got this yellow checkerboard kind of crop top with ruffles on the bottom. It's like a tank top, v-neck thing. I tended to get more yellow shirts. I don't know how or why, but this navy and yellow stripe, actually there's white too, navy yellow and white striped. This one's a little bit cropped, but it also has ruffles on the bottom. This white, red, orange, yellow, purple, blue, missing the green, or it would be a rainbow. It's cute. Thank you, brother. And it's a little bit cropped also. It's really cute. It has ruffles on the sleeves and at the bottom. But it's the same thing as the other ones. This is yellow too. I'm sorry. I don't know what's wrong with me. This one is just a t-shirt. It's not cropped. It's just yellow with black or navy shorts. They're red striped. Got Raider this shirt. Raider. Yeah, sorry. Vlog at the bird place. If any of you want to see a bird eating peanut butter on a popsicle stick.
Peanut butter on a popsicle stick. Peanut butter on a popsicle stick.
Apples and bananas. Hold on. Let me what do. I know my face was so oily in those last clips. So I put some powder on.
Roll that paper.
Dunder Mifflin. Don't sue us. I ain't playing these games. They're gonna kidnap us. We're in this really sketchy town. We were trying to get gas at this convenience store. This girl was sitting like by the entrance to the gas station. She was like looking real sketchy looking. Went inside and got this person, and then they came back out here. Oh yeah, that guy was definitely not okay, but what is happening? Carol, where'd you take us? That's where the burb is? The burb place is?
The burb place is about 3 miles away.
Is it in this town?
Isn't it like 90 minutes?
Are we like in the bad part of it?
I have no clue. I've never been there.
Oh.
I think this is the town. That gas is too much.
What are you talking about?
The gas tank.
$35 right
I
now.
think it's about $37 to fill it up.
That's not that bad. My gas takes like 60 to fill up.
What?
Yeah.
Lord, I'd never go anywhere, girl.
$60.
$60. Outfit of the day. I simply forgot to show you all. I just threw this on, so it's not really planned or cute or anything, but
It is cute.
what is? Well, thank you. My jacket is this rain jacket, windbreaker. It's Columbia. Don't want to become. I don't want to get what shirt that says. Oh my God! Shirt that says Thailand. That's actually from Thailand. I'm wearing black shorts. I'm wearing my gray Vans again.
Oh, jeez, Rick. So take off your coat. I only wanted to do this because I wanted a bird to get on my hand. I didn't think it was like a zoo. It smells really bad. Really bad. Look at that fat ass fish.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
That is frightening. Oh gosh, they're fighting, sir.
Eat mine. I have better food.
Later, flesh color, that's the female.
Oh my God.
It's like beating up on him.
That one?
I don't think that's what they were doing.
Oh.
They're not allowed to be.
Ow! Ow!
It is.
It's on your head.
Oh.
Oh, now it's on her head.
No. He's on your shoulder.
Oh.
I know it's a little scary, isn't it?
Oh my God. No, if your hair he's sidestepping.
Oh my gosh.
He's trying to steal your credit card.
Oh my gosh.
Now he's got your stick.
This was fun at first when you got to have the birds on your head, but now I'm just really bored and I just want to take a nap.
Oh.
Take me home.
Vlog was kind of weird and all over the place, and I didn't start vlogging till like lunch. But I hope you guys liked it. If you did, subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys next video.